Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay. Dance with me, you don't have to admit you wanna play. Dance with me, just let me rock you till the...
What's up, YouTube? Back in with another video. I haven't been here for a while, if you guys haven't really noticed. This video will be about things I've done to my Mustang GT and things that you guys could do to your Mustang too. It's the 99 to 04 Mustang, and this is the look of my 99 Mustang GT. You guys could do this with all, 99 to 04 Mustangs. As the old videos, y'all probably saw, I just got this car, and now I got the car, and now it's, I wrapped it. I did a couple things. I haven't really, made any videos. I've been busy at work and, school. But let me tell you guys the couple things you guys could do to these Mustangs. First, I recommend you guys get some new headlights. My headlights are not new. They are like a little, yellowish, but I did get some cleaner over there. Some cleaner to make it like not, as bad. But if you ask me, I like it. The clear ones, I really like the clear ones over the Ember ones. And as you guys see, I have a V6 one in the back too. But I would say getting some headlights would be very essential to making your Mustang look very nice. So there's multiple different type of headlights. Those type of headlights, the clear ones, then this is the ones I had on them originally. Terrible. Pretty sure I had them in the old YouTube video. But here, let me just flip it. And as you guys see, those headlights were terrible compared to what it looks like now. Then second thing I suggest is getting a new bumper. The bumper originally, it wasn't good in my opinion. I don't like here, let me bring it all over, because that one, I feel like it doesn't look as aggressive as it looks like on this one. See, this one doesn't look bad because it's all black, but I just personally like the 03 to 04 Cobra bumpers. They just make it look more aggressive. And see, on these ones, I got these different headlights, and yeah, that's the V6. And this is the back, the side of my Mustang. It's not really, crazy. But then the next one I would say is get a grill delete. You got to get a grill delete. I don't care what you say, you need to get a grill delete. It makes your car look so much more aggressive than it does with the honeycomb thing. I just personally don't like how that looks. And on any car, I don't like really grills for real. So me personally, it was easy, to be honest. I just bought this little Mustang, the black Mustang. I got that from what's it called, Facebook Marketplace. And like, look at the car from the front. Looks really nice. And I also got I came with a different hood, so I got the GT hood, I guess. Looks really nice, and I got some hood scoops. They were ready to do nothing. But yeah, let me show you guys the back too. And then the second one, I would say, is getting some smoked out taillights. The smoked out taillights, I feel like they just look so much more cleaner on the Mustang. Then let me show you guys what. I took these ones off here, but let me go ahead and show you guys what it is. But this car don't look bad. It's just the rims and hit some. And these are what the regular ones look like. They're not bad. You could obviously get it, but I just personally like the smoked out look. Then another thing you got to do to your Mustang is you gotta get the Cobra spoiler. The Cobra spoiler just makes the car look perfect. Oh, look at that lightning on the purple. But yeah, you gotta get a different spoiler. The other spoilers are nasty. Just take off your spoiler too. Like, the stock ones that they give you are terrible in my opinion. And obviously you gotta tint your window. You cannot have no fishbowl in 2025. You feel me? It just looks terrible. You gotta get one. Then I'm not gonna really go under the hood, but I'm gonna tell you, you also should get a cold air intake. The cold air intake does help. And I also got a 70mm throttle body that came with the car, so I'm not really bugging about it. And the lights, these are LED lights, so make sure you get LED lights too. As you see, there is a lot of messes up in this car, but to be honest, I wanted to do it all myself, so I did wrap the car myself, the whole car myself. So obviously You know, there's gonna be like a couple mess ups, but you know, it's not bad for wrapping a car your first time. And I've gotten compliments on it, and I've also got compliments on the color and how good it looks. Then I also painted the roof. I spray painted it because like I didn't really care. I could just get. I'm just probably gonna get a new top for it because the top is a little messed up. And also something I suggest y'all do. Me personally, I just like the whole. I took off all my emblems, and I think it looks way much cleaner without no emblems because it just had the forward one in the back. I'll show you guys over here too. Like this one, pretty much just all stock, to be honest. Besides the intake. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. See, that's what I'm talking about. And I added a little Batman because there's Batman when I spray painted my brake calipers. And I also do have to talk about the ride height. I feel like you guys should get some lowering springs or some coils or get your car a bag if you want. I just think that these cars come so high. Look at how high that is compared to this one. I'm not sure if this is lowered, but it does look lowered compared to the other Mustang. And I personally just like how it looks too, how it sits. Man, ignore how it looks inside. I need to clean it. Let me just pop the hood. Said I was gonna do it, but might as well, just so I can show you guys everything. And this is what the inside of my 99, Mustang GT. I did get this cold air intake. I got it from eBay. It was for like $40. But I'm thinking about getting a different one. I want to get the shorter one so you could see the intake right here and you could hear a little a little more than yeah, I really haven't done much. I've changed my spark plugs and the BBK throttle body. Where is it at? Yeah, the 70 millimeter. You see, you hear a Mustang. Not a Mustang. What's it called? A motorcycle. I do want a motorcycle. But this car, I have to do a lot of things because my transmission messed up. So I had to get I had to get rebuild my transmission, which is very expensive. And yeah, so let me show you guys how the car sounds though. Like the 99 to 04 Mustangs, I feel like they are just a very good sounding car. You feel me? Like they sound aggressive. And what I've done to it, I have like a bullet. I have a bullet. What's it called? I have a bullet muffler. That's not really a cold start. It is a warm start to the. It is tuned, so I do have a Bama tune. Right now I'm on my race tune, and I do have a popcorn tune. If you guys want to go get that too. Peace. That's fine shit in the neighborhood. This is what it sounds like from the back. To be honest, it's not too loud. It's just like the perfect sound in my opinion. And I did delete 4 of my cats. I did have 6 cats on it, which is OD, and I took off 4 of them, and it made it sound so much more aggressive compared to the other one. And I haven't made a video on it, but I also, like, when I first bought the car, it did have no mufflers and it was OD loud, and it keep making that little shing because I have my fuel is rich, so I'm running it richer than it normally is. Alright, and I am probably gonna add some clips and be revving it, but I'm gonna just give you guys a little one right now. Oh, yeah. See, it also pops. You guys can hear that. Yeah. I'm sorry, neighbors. It's like 10 o'clock or something. But yeah, that's what I did in my Mustang. Then also, I just cut the car off. I gotta have my, you feel me? 150 on dash, not too crazy. But also, I feel like everybody who has 99 to 04 Mustangs should get CarPlay because look how outdated that is. Like, that just looked terrible. And the other Mustang, it is nicer. It has like a touchscreen. Like I guess they deleted it before or something. I didn't do it, so like I'm not tripping about it. But then the convertible, I like it. Compared to like having a hardtop is also cool, but I also like having what's it called? I like having a convertible because I can just roll down the street with the top down and have all the ladies looking at me. You feel me? Like, yeah. Then obviously you can see the wrap, and then the rims. I'm pretty sure these are just the stock GT rims. I do need to get some different rims too. If you guys do have questions, yes, it took me a week to wrap it, and yes, it's not perfect. Yes, I'm gonna get the bumper wrap too, but be honest, I'm not doing that myself because that thing takes way too long. But hey, this is the GT badge, but it's broken. I broke it on accident, so I'm not gonna put a broken badge back on. But that will be the end of the YouTube video. Not really a long video, just a video, I haven't posted in a while. And it's 2025, gotta start the grind again. Gotta, see if I can make it out of the hood. We ain't talking about it though. But yeah, that's the end of the video. If you have any questions, follow the Instagram. It's it's Eli Run 3, pretty sure. It's on the car. You guys could, I'll put it also in the description if you guys do want to watch my videos. Then I also post on TikTok, but TikTok's about to get banned. So, I got to move all my TikTok followers over to my Instagram. I got to use my Instagram followers to my YouTube. Yeah, we did hit 2K. Sorry, I'm ADHD. I'll be talking about a couple things. But, hey, we hit 2K. Now we got to hit 5K. 5K, I am going to do a giveaway. I got to see what the giveaway is going to be because it's only 5K. It's like, not only, but like, it's a lot for me. So I'll let you guys know. But yeah. Also, just to add, I am also going to paint my brake calipers black. I was going to do red, but I don't think I should do red. Well, I've asked somebody. They said it looked ugly if I did red. So yeah. But that will be the end of the YouTube video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And send it to your grandma. Send it to your sister, brother, or whoever has a 99 or 04 Mustang. And they, it looks like, I'm not going to say it, but like, let's be honest. All right, but yeah, that's the end of the YouTube video. So everybody have a wonderful day and just stay happy.